Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from ProTeam Cleaning. We're a Kent-based exterior cleaning company, and here are our top spring tips. Our first tip would be that if you're looking to have any decking clean, choose a contractor that uses steam to clean instead of general pressure washing. This will protect the wood and stop it from splintering and essentially stop it aging so quick. Here's another tip. If you're looking to have your patio or driveway cleaned this year, one way to keep it cleaner for longer is to ensure that if you're doing any grass cutting near the patio or driveway, once the grass cutting is complete, either sweep or leaf blow the grass cuttings away. The grass cuttings hold small seeds that if you leave them on the patio or driveway, they can get into little cracks and eventually grow, and next you have weeds. Here's our final tip. One way to improve your property's curb appeal is to have the roof clean and moss removed. Be sure of two things though when choosing a contractor. One, that they use steam. This will protect the tiles and reduce the risk of damage to the tiles and the mortar. And two, choose a company that doesn't step on the roof and either uses a scaffold tower or the proper access equipment to access the roof line.